Hi, my name is Tolu and this is Cooking with Tolu or Tolu Cooks. I'm a young lady that lives in the state of Kentucky and I love to cook. Cooking is an hobby for me. Cooking actually is something that relaxes me when I'm stressed, or sometimes when I don't have something to do, I just get in the kitchen and I love cooking. I've been cooking for quite a while now. I've been catering events, small, big, medium. I've catered to a party of 20, of 50, of 100, of 300. I just love to cook. And this is Cooking with Tolu. Oh Lord, I'm repeating myself.
Tell me who you know, who plans better, that dream come true. Yeah. She not there disappoint.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Tolu Cooks. Today, we're gonna be making the famous, unadulterated Nigerian jollof rice and chicken.
Action.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tolu Cooks. Today we're gonna be making all classic, the famous jollof rice, Nigeria. Let's get ready. Or let the fun begin. Let me see. I'll wash the chicken while I'm blending so that way you can rush it through. You get it?
Sure.
So right now I'm just gonna start putting stuff in the blender, and while it's blending, I'm gonna start washing the chicken to kind of like get the chicken ready. Then you can rush all that through because I won't say nothing. Because once we finish the blending, I finish washing the chicken, we're gonna start talking. We're gonna start boiling, and we're gonna.
Cool. Is there gonna be any background stories?
Well, I will use this to be like more of an insight into me. So I can use this episode while I'm cooking to talk more about me and why jollof rice is kind of like
Cool.
something to me. I can say a little bit about myself. I came into this country about X amount of years ago. I'm 21 years old.
You already said it once.
So let it not stop. I've been trying to work for a decade or so many decades or some years now. So let it not stop like that's okay. Say you, as old as you look 21. So, you ready?
Yeah, whatever you are.
Okay, so now we're gonna add in some onions, about a handful. It tastes wonderful. I would love you to try it and let me know how it turns out for you. Leave your comments. Please subscribe, share, and like my page. See you next time when we bring you another wonderful recipe from Tolu Cooks. Love ya. Hey everyone, I am Tolu. Thank you and welcome back to my channel. This is Tolu Cooks. Today we're gonna be making a fabulous dish from the northern part of Nigeria, and this is
Just go with your ego. I mean, not ego, the first cut. Ready?
welcome back to my channel. This is Tolu Cooks. Today we're gonna be making the famous.
This is the behind the scene.
I brushed on my words.
Yeah, I think you were really like doubting. Like
Brushing it.
you
Okay,
stumbled.
day 3.
Ready? Let me see what that. And ready? Action.
Hello. Oh boy, I'm sorry.
Alright, you're good. Have a show. And action.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Tolu Cooks. Oh lord, now I screwed it up.
Yeah. Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel, okay.
Action.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Tolu, Tolu Cooks.
Yeah, this is, welcome back to my channel. This is Tolu Cooks.
This is Tolu Cooks, okay. Why do I keep saying this is Cooking with Tolu?
Yeah, I usually say like, maybe you should change the channel to Cooking with Tolu.
Who says so?
Me.
Well, the reason why I like Tolu Cook is anywhere I go, I can easily tell them and say, subscribe to my channel, Tolu Cooks.
So you are saying,
different was you usually put your name first when you introduce yourself.
Oh, how did you know you were talking to your agent?
They're talking to y'all not listening.
Oh, really?
Oh,
Oh, I'm
really?
sorry. Okay,
ready?
so what's my name?
You said it on your first video. You said it on the first video.
This is a shared Oluwa Tolu Lokwe Ogoleye Hayadewusi.
Action.
Hello everyone, this is a shared Oluwa Tolu Lokwe Ogoleye Hayadewusi. Welcome back to my channel. This is Tolu Cooks.
Well, that was good.
Okay. So we're going to introduce the
Ingredient.
okay.
I thought you usually skip to there's the fun begins.
Well, no, I always say let the fun begins after the ingredients.
Yeah, that works. Yeah, that makes sense. Alright.
That's when we fun. That's when the fun begins. So should we like run everything through
From the beginning.
from the beginning? We're running through to saying the name of the dish and introducing the
Yeah.
ingredients, and let the fun begins. Okay.
Yeah. Ready. Action.
So we're gonna be making.
There's too much sauce.
I've said how many sauce now?
3.
Really?
Let's run again. That's it.
You know, the first thing when my brother watched the thing, he said, "Who helped you record the thing?" I said, "I did it myself with a tripod." He said, "Tell that to a novice that doesn't know anything." He said, "Is a tripod moving up?" I said, "Yes." I said, "I use a remote." He's like, "Ah, no, he's not."
Ready and action.
Hello, this is a chef Oluwa Tolu Lokwe Ogoleye Hayadewusi. And
Saying it too fast.
I said it too fast?
Yeah.
I think that's why I skipped a bit. Okay. Erase everything.
And action.
Hello, this is a chef Oluwa Tolu Lokwe Ogoleye Hayadewusi. And welcome back to my channel. This is Tolu Cooks.
Keep going.
Oh, I think about it too much.
Yeah, that was good. Keep going. Alright, that works. Now I'm ready.
Coming over to the stove. Okay, now my chicken has been steaming for about 15 minutes. I need to
Oh,
clean my home.
let me just save it for.
When it was,
Yeah, when it was coming. We did not expect the second one to happen.
yes, we did not.
Action.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, now let's see the end result. Okay, so guys, this is the end result. This is my gari and my peanut butter soup. It has a lot of flavor in it. Just remember, try out the flavors, the
Let's try again. That's good.
We need to record it on the show. The how they call it blooper.
Yeah, the behind the scenes.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Do I look glory?
Of course not. I'm professional.
You hear a lot of that.
Ready?
So I have the wonderful Miss Nancy Jovina Aku cooking with me today. So Miss Nancy, I'm in trouble. You see that is like, I mean, you come and say hi now, you get up and come to the kitchen, you want to cook.
I'm supposed to count. Oh Lord, I'm kidding you. Your name is Tolu.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Action. Wait. Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh, you're ready?
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. Miss Nancy. Today, I have my wonderful friend. Let me go back to today.
Yeah, I can try again from the beginning.
Not from the beginning. Let me go back to today.
Okay.
Today, I have my wonderful friend. We've been friends for over a decade. Come on. Come on.
Hi, my name is Nancy.
And you're my partner in crime, or my cooking partner today.
Am I? Am I gonna be using parsley, Maggi, curry powder, what's in here? How is she gonna do that to me? She didn't tell me what's inside.
We were here together when I put on.
No. Hello everyone, my name is Nancy, and today we're gonna be making potato leaves from West Africa, from Liberia to be specific. And we do have a whole lot of ingredients to go in this potato leaves because
You got the camera.
oh,
You could totally forgot. Come back from friend. So
Oh.
like I'm introducing my friend.
I'm not ready.
You're not ready?
I'm ready now.
Now you're ready. Okay, what did I forget? Tolu Cooks. That's the next thing.
onions.
I knew I forgot something, that's why I froze. I said, what did I forget? Did I talk about
I don't
it?
know.
So, guys, let the fun begins.
What about Tolu Cooks?
Yeah?
Did not see the intro.
Tolu Cooks. Welcome to Tolu Cooks.
Okay.
You can add that in.
So,
This is Tolu Cooks.
wait, we said,
Salt,
and the
you said
salt, and the salt. She doesn't like salt. Okay, because she doesn't like salt. So, guys, you're welcome to Tolu Cooks, and let the fun begins.
So the first thing we're gonna do is
No soap.
Oh, you should have told me.
Yeah, no soap.
Okay.
Look at
I
the
say so
camera.
like anything. I like soup. So.
You know, actually, if you put this word together fast, so it makes chicken, right?
It make what?
Makes chicken.
Mixed chicken.
It means chicken.
So.
Yeah.
So.
It's chicken in my language.
In your language.
Yeah.
So.
Okay. Ready? Action.
Okay, so we're about to start cooking.
You said so.
That's why I said cooking.
Okay.
So.
Don't say so and
Okay.
shut up.
Okay.
Yeah. Go.
Okay. Samech, you're making life difficult for me. Okay, let's try again.
Yeah.
The first thing.
Okay. The first thing we're gonna do is wash our hands.
Yes, ma'am.
Make sure they are clean. You are like your father is a hunter. Or was a hunter.
He's not a hunter. He was a farmer.
Say Saeed. He's a farmer, say Saeed.
Besides that, Mama.
Say, I'm a babu issue. My father is a young seller.
Wait, there's the music. Music play.
So this is Tolu Cook, and we are so happy that you're tuning with us today to watch this amazing episode of Cooking Potato Leaf. Miss Nancy, you got something to say?
Like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you very much, and see you on the next episode of Tolu Cooks. Is that good enough?
Yeah, that works.